String function. String function. String function is a built-in function that can be useful if you have a string sentence and you have an integer number and you want to print them all together as a string to be in one sentence. Let's see how. Alright, so now go to brackets and create any variable such as my name and assign it with a string sentence. For example, hello, my name is Jeff and my age is. Then create an integer variable, for example, age, and assign it by an integer. As we mentioned before, integer means whole numbers. Create a variable called total and assign it by the variables my name plus age. Then print total. Save the file and try on terminal and see what it shows. As you can see here in the terminal, it shows an error that asks to make the variable age to be on a string and printed well. Okay, so let's fix that. So as you can see here, 32 is an integer. To print that as a string, we should put str before age and put the age variable between the brackets or inside the brackets. After that, save the file and try on terminal now. Very nice. It works well right now and it displays the 32 integer as a string. So str function is very helpful to convert integers to strings. Thanks for watching.